Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. When you are watching this video, I actually will be in Toronto doing media appearances for my book and trying not to embarrass myself on national TV. Today, I have a recipe for you for 1 bowl banana chocolate chip muffins. And I know I say this in every video, but I am so excited to share this recipe with you guys. Banana chocolate chip muffins are something that I grew up eating. My mom would make them weekly. She would make the little mini ones and then put them in our lunchbox when we were little. And then when I got old enough to start baking by myself, I just made copious amounts of banana chocolate chip muffins and put them in my own lunch. I am just so happy to have easily veganized the recipe and to be sharing it with you guys today. But that is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into the recipe.
So you want to start off with 2 ripe bananas and then just break those into a bowl and mash them up until they are nice and smooth. It doesn't have to be perfect. Obviously, there can still be some lumps, but just try and make it as smooth as you can. Then you want to add the vegan butter, the sugar, and I did a mix of white sugar and coconut sugar, and then you can add in the non-dairy milk, and I used almond milk. Last, you can add in the egg replacer, and for this you can either use a powdered egg replacer, flax egg, or chia egg, whichever type of vegan egg replacer you like to use best. Just mix that until it's nice and smooth, and actually a hand mixer probably would have been a lot easier for this. And then you just want to add in the flour, baking powder, and baking soda and stir that until it forms a thick batter. This is almost actually like a dough. It won't be runny, it will be super thick, as you can see. And then just add in your dairy-free chocolate chips. I like to load these up with chocolate chips. And like I said, this will look almost more like a cookie dough than a batter. Scoop spoonfuls of that into a paper-lined muffin tin, and I like to make mine fairly full, and if you make them full like this, then you will get exactly 12 muffins. Bake those in your preheated oven for about 22 to 24 minutes until they are golden brown. I just like to stick a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean or with a couple little crumbs, as you can see here, then they are done. You just want to make sure it's not covered in batter when you take it out.
I think muffins, correct me if I'm wrong, are supposed to be slightly on the healthier side, so I feel like we're hard pressed to call these muffins. These are more like banana chocolate chip cupcakes, perhaps. But they're so good. Every time. You guys should honestly see my floor. It's disgusting. I grew up always having dogs in my parents' house. Our dog would literally just go around all day licking the floor. Like, there was not a speck of food, not a crumb, not a speck of dust, not a hair. Like, the floor is spotless. My floor here is absolutely disgusting. No matter how often I sweep and mop and scrub with my hands, like, it is just gross. It's fine. This is why I need a dog. This is why I'm gonna get a dog when I move out of this apartment. If you listen to my podcast, then you will have heard what I'm doing when I leave this apartment in a month, because the podcast here's everything first. And I'm so excited because honestly, guys, this apartment is so not soundproof. Like, I can hear the kid downstairs crying all day. I can hear the lady who teaches piano lessons upstairs all day playing the freaking piano. So I'm moving into a house. I'm very excited, but you guys should listen to my podcast anyway. We have lots of good chats, life chats with Liv B. That's what it's called. It's available on Apple, iTunes, Spotify, and Castbox. Definitely go check it out. Also, by the time you guys are watching this video, my cookbook, Liv B's Vegan on a Budget, is officially out. Honestly, the recipes are absolutely amazing. Like, look at this. I mean, this is deep dish apple pie with caramel sauce and ice cream. I'm just so happy with the way that it came out. Everything just looks so stunning in this book. Look at that close-up granola shot. If you guys are interested in getting my book, It's available in stores in Canada and the US and Australia and the UK. Okay, my fridge just turned on and it's a really annoying sound, but if you guys are interested in getting it, you can also get it on Amazon, Amazon International, all the places that Amazon ships and all of that. But yeah. So good.